This is what conversation mistakes actually sound like. Someone says, I just started a new job. Oh, nice. What do you do? Marketing. That's cool. So what do you do for fun? And now it feels off. That's mistake number one, switching topics too fast. Here's another one. I just started a new job. Oh, nice. What do you do? Marketing. Nice. I actually used to do something similar. And now you're talking about yourself. That's mistake number two. Here's what it should sound like. I just started a new job. Oh, nice. What made the switch? I wanted something more creative. Wait, so you weren't getting this in your previous job? What about this job now allows you to be more creative? Now it flows. Same topic, just deeper. That's the difference. Follow if you want to get better at conversations.